Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the notifications on the Laybuy application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to receive any notifications from the Laybuy application on your device, then in order to turn it off, long press on the Laybuy application and tap on the App Info button. Now, from the application info page, if the application is open, then tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner in order to stop the application. Once the app has been stopped, just tap on Notifications underneath Privacy. Now, within this page, if the Allow Notifications button is turned on, then this will enable all notifications from the app. So simply tap on this toggle to turn it off. And once the toggle is turned off, you will not receive any more notifications from the Laybuy app. And you can change the setting at any point of time by simply following the same steps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable notifications on the Laybuy application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.